Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today I'm going to look at the letter E, so English words beginning with the letter E converted to Spanish. Here we go. Ears, orejas, orejas. Encouraged, animaba, animaba. But also motivado, motivado. Exactly, exactamente, exactamente. Either, cualquiera, cualquiera. Explain, explicar, explicar. Envelope, sobre, sobre. But please note, sobre also means about, about. So sobre has two meanings. It can be used for envelope or also about. Environment, medio ambiente, medio ambiente. Equal, igual, igual. Error, error, error. Escape, escapar, escapar. Evening is normally noche, noche, but is sometimes used for tarde as well, so you can either say buenas tardes or buenas noches when you actually mean the evening. Event, evento, evento. Ever, alguna vez, alguna vez. Every, cada, cada. Everyone, todos or todo el mundo, todo el mundo. Everything, todo, todo. Example, ejemplo, ejemplo. Often used as por ejemplo, for example. Excellent, excelente, excelente. Exchange, intercambio, intercambio. Excited, emocionado, emocionado. Exercise, ejercicio, ejercicio. Exit, salida, salida. You'll often see that at the airports when you land in Spain. Salida. That is exit. Eagle, aguila, aguila. Ear, oveja, oveja. Early, temprano, temprano. Earth, tierra, tierra. Easy, fácil, fácil. Eat, comer. comer, education, educación, educación, egg, huevo, huevo, 8, ocho, ocho, elbow, codo, codo, electric, electrico, electrico, elephant, elefante, elefante, elevator, ascensor, ascensor, 11, once, once, emergency, emergencia, emergencia, emotion, 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 empty, vacío, vacío, end, fin, fin, energy, energía, energía, engine, motor, motor, enjoy, disfrutar, disfrutar, enough, suficiente, suficiente, enter, entrar, entrar, and here we are, envelope again, sobre, sobre, but also remember that sobre also means about. Environment, medio ambiente, medio ambiente. Early, temprano, temprano. Engineer, ingeniero, ingeniero. Early morning, madrugada, madrugada. Exhausted, agotado, agotado, or mojado, mojado. Employee, empleado, empleado. Elongated, alargadas, alargadas. Enormous, enormes, enormes. Energy, energía, energía. And finally, excited, emocionado, emocionado. Well, that's it for E for today. You'll have noticed probably that I have repeated myself on a couple of the words, but that's not a bad thing. It's an easy way to remember when you're learning. And also notice that a lot of words are so similar. It just makes it very easy. So electric, electrico, elephant, elefante, elevator, ascensor, so it's pretty obvious. So emergency, emergencia. So there's a lot of cases with the words beginning with the letter E in English that are very similar in Spanish. So anyway, thanks for listening and watching. Please subscribe and like the channel. And yeah, if you like it, if you like what we're doing here, just give us a like. And if you don't like what we're doing, well, just move on. Anyway, thanks for watching and listening, and I'll see you again. See you later.